Hello guys and welcome back. So in this video I'm going to speak about derivatives of polynomials. So first of all I will start by notation. So this notation used to express derivatives. So let's say if y is given as p of x, yani the polynomial is given as p of x, then what do you mean by how to express the derivative? Derivative means y prime, which is same as p prime of x. So all this means derivative, or you can write it as dy by dx, or same thing d of p of x by dx. So when you see this notation, this means that you are deriving, for example, y with respect to x, or you are finding the derivative of p of x with respect to x. So basically I'll depend first on a basic rule, and this formula is very important in case you need to find the derivative. So if y equal ax power n, this means that the derivative is equal to a multiplied by n x power n minus 1. So let me now start from an example so I can help you to understand how do we find the derivative of any monomial. So let's say given the monomial y equal 3x power 5. So what will be y prime? Y prime will be 3, because it's the constant, multiplied by the power which is 5, multiplied by x power 5 minus 1, yani you decrease the power by 1. So which means that y prime is simply equal to 15x power 4. Another example, let's say y is equal to 4x power 3. So same thing here, y prime will be, so it will be n, a multiplied by n, so it will be 4 times 3, which is 12, x power 3 minus 2, which is equal to 12x squared. Same thing guys, sometimes like I advise you in many cases to work on the form. So I'll give you an example that it's not polynomial, but also this rule is also applied to this example. Let's say we have y equal 1 over x. This form, as you see, it's not in the form of y equal ax power n, but we can change it to y equal ax power n by writing it y equal x to the power negative 1. Then you can apply the rule normally. And as I told you guys, this example is not a polynomial, but I just explain it because it's applied to the same rule. Yani this rule is applied on this example. So in this case it will be negative 1, for example, x power negative 1 negative 1, so it will be x power negative 2. So for example, the derivative of 1 over x is simply 1 over x power 2. So let me also give another similar example so you can understand it more. So let's say y equal 3 over x power 5. So here you can write this example as a 3x power negative 5, right? We know always guys in powers, if you want to change, if you change a quantity from denominator to numerator, if you move it, you have to exchange the power of it. So 3x power negative 5, then this means that y prime is equal to 3 times negative 5, so it's negative 15, x power negative 5 minus 1, so it's x power negative 6. So which means that it's equal to negative 15 over x power 6. Now guys, let me continue with polynomials. In a polynomial, as you know, the first definition, or one of the important definitions of polynomials, that it's addition of polynomials with that polynomials is addition of monomials with different powers. Yeah, for example, let's say we have the polynomial p of x equal 4x power 8 minus 3x squared plus 12x plus 5, or plus 5. So let's say you need to find p prime of x here, or the derivative. So all what you need to do is, in this case, you derive each quantity alone. So for example, you find the derivative of 4x power 8, then negative 3x squared, 12x, and 5. So first of all, we have to find 4 times 8, which is 32, x power 8 minus 1, so it's 7, minus 3 times 2, which is 6, x power 2 minus 1, which is x, plus 12, it's a 12x. So this will be, the derivative of 12x, it will be a constant number 12, and the derivative of 5 is 0. So the final answer, of course I'll explain this now. So 32 x power 7 minus 6x plus 12. So guys, we can have, now we can summarize this by rules. Like for example, in general, I can say that the derivatives of y equal ax power n is y prime equal to an multiplied by x to the power n minus 1, and the derivative of y equal ax, this will be simply y equal a, and derivative هون because here the power is 1, then it will be a x power 1 minus 1, so it's a power 0. And the derivative of a constant, so derivative of a constant, let's say y equal a, is simply 0. And if you have only a constant, then the derivative is equal to 0. And same as we did in this example. As you see, 5 was a constant part, so its derivative is 0, and 12x was in the form y equal ax, so its derivative is a. So guys, this is everything. See you later. Thank you.